I'm often asked by particularly younger agents how they deal with customers on the phone who have indicated there might be some interest in listing their property at some point in the future, but their priority right now is to have some renovations done or some repairs around the home. On that note, I'm always encouraging agents to provide service to their customers, looking for opportunities to email them very helpful PDFs to nudge them forward a little bit, strengthen the relationship, get their brand on letterhead in front of a customer. And here's one such way, if you're not already doing this already. When customers come up with a repair issue or a renovation problem or something that's bugging them around the home, your property management team have a very scrutinised list of tradespeople, preferred tradespeople that they use. Why don't you compile this into a nice smart looking document? Make sure that there is a little thumbnail of your corporate photo subtly placed in one corner with your direct contact details, and of course the company brand placed at the footer of this document, and list all the tradespeople that you think would be helpful to all your prospective customers. And you can use this as an opportunity to not only provide service to them, but also secure their email address. And of course, if they find this helpful to them, not only do you get your email signature in front of them, you get a PDF document with your lovely image in the corner, and of course your company brand. So have a think about that. Go to your property management team. They've scrutinized the list. They've probably got a couple of options on hand. And when you email this off to the client, just say, I hope you find this helpful for your current challenges. I hope you found this helpful.